A man was once walking in a forest and happened to see an exotic and beautiful bird sitting on a branch. As he was charmed by it, he wanted to capture it and make it as its pet. The man tiptoed to the bird and caught it from the behind. The bird exclaimed, and to the man's utter surprise, the bird started speaking to the man. The bird said, "Please let me go. Please let me free away so I will give you in return 3 valuable gems, that is, 3 valuable tips, 3 valuable advices that will help you to transform your life." The man was shocked, but as he knew that he would get some return, he agreed and he let the bird flew away. The bird, when freed, gave the condition that he will give the man 3 advices when first that he will be freed and reach to the first branch of the tree, and then it will give the second advice when it will reach to the middle to the fruit of the tree, and when it will reach the top of the tree it will give its last final advice. The man agreed and said, "Okay, then tell me the first advice." The bird flew to the first branch of the tree and started giving its first advice. The bird said, "Never torment, torture, or burden yourself with the past regrets of the mistakes that you did in your past." The man, when was pondering on what the bird said, the bird flew to the fruit, to the second branch, and said, "Here is your second advice. Never ever go and believe on a thought that goes against your common sense until you have a first-hand proof of it." As the man was getting confused, the bird went to the third of the branch, that is the top of the tree, the crown of the tree, and then the bird said, "What a fool you are! Inside me are 2 huge jewels. If you have killed me and kept me, then you would have mastered those 2 important and precious jewels." The man exclaimed, "Oh my God, what a mistake I did! Such a foolish of me! I would not be able to forget this foolishness in my whole life. Please tell me and give me some other advice, the third advice, so that I could pacify the mistake that I did." The man was shocked, and the bird said that, "You want the third advice when you are not following the first 2 advice, and when you are not accepting the first 2 advice? You are still pondering yourself, you are still torturing yourself of your foolishness, but you are not fool. You are making this mistake by thinking that you are a fool, and you are doing the mistake of not following the first advice which I gave you. The second advice which I gave you, you are not following that too. How did you believe that inside me can be 2 important huge jewels, inside me a small tiny bird?" The man was completely shocked this time. He wasn't able to accept that he wasn't able to accept the first 2 advices that the bird gave. But the bird then said, "Okay, then if you are not accepting those 2 advices, but you ask for the third one, I will give you the third advice. If you are not applying what you already know, then you should not intend on gaining more of what you don't have." The man was completely confused this time, but after thinking for some time, he understood that 3 advices and used them for changing his life. Ladies and gentlemen, isn't this the same case with us? These 3 important tips that the bird gave to the man. The first advice that the bird gave to the man was saying that never regret for the past mistakes that you did, and never torture yourself for the past mistakes. But still, most of the people do that. Believe in yourself that you can't do and undo that things which you have done in your past. You have to forget that past and never regret for it. Instead, you should try to forgive that thing and learn a lesson from the past mistake and do something new out of learning that lesson. You should not repeat that mistake so that you won't have to regret next time. But believe me or not, you have to forget that old mistake because that can't be undone. The second advice that the bird gave was that never believe in things which goes against your common sense. That is, never accept the thing before using your reason, your discretion, or you should not trust or accept someone or something unless you use your reason or discretion to find the reason behind it. And the final one, that If you are not ready to digest what you already have, what you already have received, then you are not ready to get more knowledge out of it. You should only get things, and you should only digest the things first and receive the advice and apply the advice first before receiving the new advices, the new knowledge. So use and apply your old advices, the previous advices, the initial advices before accepting the new ones. Thank you.